Snowflakes and welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to be unboxing two of Target's new sample boxes. So Target has started a sample box, basically where you purchase a box and inside of it has samples. So this one has 8 samples and this one has 7 samples. So I am super excited about getting into this, and at the end of this video there will be a giveaway, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. So let's get on into the box. So this one is the Treat Yourself box. And as I'm opening it, I can smell something that's super good. So I'm excited. So when I open it up, I'm getting all of that in there. So the first thing is this tiny Me Bath bath bomb, and it's in lavender. And I love Me Bath. It's like my favorite bath bombs, so I'm more than likely going to be using this tonight. It smells really good. Next is a sample of Olay Regenerous Whips, which I'm really excited about because I love moisturizers and I love Olay. So this is something I'm really excited about. Ooh, it comes with some coupons for everything. So whatever you get in a box, you get coupons for it. So that's really awesome. Next is this bath candies. This is what I'm smelling. So these are bath candies. Where are they? They're called Meltaways, and they're Luxe by Mr. Bubble, and they're bath meltaways. These smell really good. Next, we got Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Gel Cleanser. So this must be a like face wash, I'm thinking. Yeah, so this is Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Gel Cleanser. But this stuff smells good. Ooh, I like it. So that's what it looks like. I really like how this comes with the coupons. Ooh, this smells good too. This is Pink Himalaya Foaming Bath. Restore and Replenish. And this is what it looks like. So it's like the sample version. We got 2 other things in this box. We got Burt Bees Tinted Red Balm. Red Delilah. Let's see. I wonder what that smells like. But that's what that looks like right there. I will get a close-up of everything. And lastly, we got Free and Lovely by Body Ecology Coconut and Rose Softening Butter. So let's see what this smells like. Smells pretty good. It smells like coconut. So that was the first box. And then you also get all of these coupons for everything, which is really nice because there's like $3 in here and $1 and $2. So this is awesome. Okay, so now we're going to open up the next one. This is the one I'm most excited about, I think. Okay, so this one says, Be Beautiful. Okay. I like how it says what's in the box too, so you kind of have an idea of what's in there. So the first thing I'm seeing is these makeup remover wipes by Simple, which I've seen these on TV. This is a little sample of it. Love it. Ooh. We get a nail polish color, which is actually not blue like on the back of the box. It is green and gold, but it's still really pretty. Then you get a sample of Unbelievable Beauty vitamins. This is really awesome. So this is a sample of vitamins. They're called beauty vitamins, and they have biotin, vitamin C, E, and oil. So this will definitely be in the giveaway just because I'm taking so many vitamins anyway, and with my gene mutation, I'm not sure if I could take this. So this will be in the giveaway, but we'll get to the giveaway later. Ooh, so this is like my favorite thing. So this is L'Oreal Paris Clay Cleanser Mask, and I have the big version of this, and I was filming my skin routine earlier today, and this is something that's in it, and I love it. Next is a shampoo and conditioner, which looks like it blew up a bit. Protein Fusion, and it's by Nexus, and it's shampoo and conditioner. Then you get more of the coupons. Then here you get Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. It says apply a thin layer to clean skin, gently massage until it's absorbed. So I guess this is a under eye moisturizer cream. And then lastly in here we have a Gotta Glow lip tint in Perfect Pink. So this is a lip tint by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and it is in a perfect pink color, and that's what that looks like. This is awesome, and it comes with like a card of tips on ways to use all these products, so I'm loving that. Now on to the giveaway portion of this video. So you're going to be winning 4 items in this giveaway. The first item is this Olly Unbelievable Beauty Hair, Skin, and Nails Vitamin Pack. So this is a sample. All of these are samples like I expressed earlier. But you're going to be winning this. You're going to be winning this Sinful Colors green and gold nail polish. Super pretty. You're going to be winning this e.l.f. Gotta Glow lip tint in Perfect Pink. And then you're going to be winning the Free and Lovely by Bodycology Coconut Rose Hand Cream. So you're going to be winning all 4 of those items. And then also you're going to be winning the coupons that came with this stuff. So you're going to be winning all of those. And some of these are really good. Like the vitamins, you can get $2 off. But you're going to get all of the coupons that are associated with the items that you want. Things you gotta do to enter this giveaway is number 1 to be subscribed to my channel and comment that you're subscribed down below. Just write me any comment. And then number 2, you gotta follow me on Instagram and you gotta like the Instagram picture for my giveaway, and then you gotta comment that you did so. Information will be down below. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like this giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video super soon. Bye!